Hey, hi friends. Welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. And let's continue this session related to the Extend report. In this online session, we'll learn what is different between Extend HTML report and what is Extend Spark report. Okay, we'll understand the difference between these two, and we'll also understand when to use these reports and how to implement these reports practically. And what is exactly difference between HTML report and Extend report? Okay, these are coming from the Extend reports only. These types of report like Sparks reports and HTML reports, but there are the certain difference between these two reports. Okay, we'll see this practically and how easily we can implement that one as well. So watch this lecture very carefully till the last. You can learn the Extend report and HTML report creation, Extend Spark report creations practically here. So first of all, let's understand what is the feature in this both two reports formats. Okay, so it's coming from the external HTML report dependency only. This both reports. Okay, after 4.0.0, the Extend Spark report will be get introduced in Extend report library itself. Okay, so features is the customization. Customization in Extend report, HTML report is high, and Extend Spark report is limited. Okay, and the performance is moderate, and in Extend Spark report it's faster. Okay, why it's faster? Let's understand that things as well. UI UX. So we require a detailed and customizable, and it's a modern and minimalist. Minimalist UI UX is required for this Spark report. But in HTML Extend report, we require detailed and customizable. Setup is a more setup and configuration required, but it's in Extend Spark report, it's simple and very quick setup. Okay, we'll see you how one liner change, and we can implement that Spark report in our existing flow. Okay, so use case is detailed reporting. When we require a detailed reporting, our clients wants a detailed reporting, and then we can use the Extend HTML report. But if you want to more like a fast and lightweight reporting process, only we want a reporting process, then we can go for this Extend Spark report. Okay. Now let's understand types of Extend reports in Selenium with Java. Okay, both Extend HTML and Spark reports are the types of reports used to display the result of automated test execution. In Selenium, both like Extend reports and Spark reports are types of reports that used to display the result of automated test execution. Let's understand what is Extend HTML reports then, first of all. So first, let's understand Extend HTML reports are a classic Extend reports that used to custom HTML templates. Okay, they provide a detailed and highly customizable report solution. And presence in Extend HTML reports offers the traditional, usually like applying interface, allowing various customizations like theme, color, font, and logs, and all those things. E- So first, while understanding the HTML report is the classic one where we can getting better visualization of report, and we'll get some font colors and logs type of things in this report. Features of Extend reports is something like support to adding screenshot. They provide the detailed, highly customizable report solution. Whenever our script get fail, we can add the screenshot. We have seen in the previous lecture as well how to add that screenshots, and then in the Extend HTML report. If you not watch all the previous session, guys, I'll request you to watch that sessions first, because this is the last session of this Extend report series where we are just customizing our Extend Spark report and understanding the difference between HTML and Extend reports. So if you want to watch this entire playlist, then you can understand this session more better. So guys, I'll request you to watch previous session first. Okay, so allow the different levels of login, info, warning, pass, fail, all this in the HTML report. Provide a high flexibility and embedding custom JavaScript in CSS, which is we have already seen in previous sessions. Allowing categorization and group test cases, adding categorize device and authors. We have seen all these logs, how to add these logs and how to customize your nodes and everything in previous session, guys. You can watch that session as well, where we have explained Extend HTML report. And setup of Extend reports require more configuration. Configuration specifically if you wish to customize the applications in extensions. So here, as we see, allowing categories and grouping test case, adding the device name, authors. While using the Appium also, we can add the devices, authors to your test cases and everything. Setup is little configured. Okay, require more configuration. If you wish to customize the application extensively. Use case suitable for like teams needed detailed reporting with the extensive customizations and options for the better presentation of management. When your clients require the better presentations and JSON options, then you can go for the HTML report. Now let's understand Extend Spark report. So in Extend Spark report overview, Extend Spark report is the newer type of report built into the Extend report itself, but focus on little like lightweight and faster reporting experience only. And our presence is like Spark report having the modern minimalist design and with the limited customization compared to the Extend HTML report. Let's understand the features of Spark report includes the basic reporting functionality like logging results and adding the screenshot and faster, more efficient and with the minimum configuration and idle for a team speak quick straightforward reporting without extensive customization or you want quick report, then we can go for the extend report. Okay, setup is something like Spark reports require the less setup and are similar to the used out of box. Okay, and use cases ideally is rapid reporting needs where we have a streamlined ready to go report is preferred. Okay, so this is the summary of Extend report and Extend Spark report, which we have already seen. Now let's do the practical of Extend Spark report so that you will get the better idea of how to customize your Extend Spark report in our script. Okay, so let's go to the our Extend report project where we have basically created this Extend report in the best test, and we have configured our both two test cases in this report, and we have created this Extend HTML report, right? So it's lightweight. When client wants to cover little configurations, then we can go for it for this Extend Spark report. Just only simple thing changes here while creating the Extend report. I will show you what we need to change only. Watch this very carefully so that you will get the better idea on it. So the syntax for extend reports, extend HTML report is we are creating extend HTML report and as a HTML object and new extend report, and we'll providing the path where we want to create that report, right? The same way what we have to do here, we have extend HTML report, right? Automation report, which is we have created here. Now, same way we have to create the extend Spark report. So what we need to do, first of all, go to the pom.xml file. Here we have a 3.1.5 version of extend report, which is the older one, right? Let's go to our Maven repository first, okay? And then go for the extend reports. Maven repository, extend reports. We can search here extend reports in this search box. You will get that one. This is the extend reports, and this is the latest version of it. After from this 4.0.10 version of extend report, we can simply implement the extend Spark report as well. Okay, so if you want to integrate extend Spark report in your project, then you need to add the at least minimum this library, this Maven dependency above 4.0.0. Okay, so we'll go for the latest one, 5.1.2. So I'll just change it the older library to 5.1 5.1.2. Okay, so 5.1 point, let's change it to 2. Okay, and now save this. One thing here, guys, but just remember that thing. If you want to use the extend HTML report, now you have to use the version below of 4.1.6. Okay, if you change that version of extend report 4.1.6, this particular extend HTML report is deprecated from after that version. Okay, it will not available in extend report. So if you like using latest version like 5.1.2, we have to change this extend HTML report to Spark report. Okay, hope you understand. You can practice like this. If you change like 4.1.6 here, let's see what happened. Let's update this project. Let's say Maven update. Whenever you do any changes in the this pom.xml, you have to update our project. You can see this is deprecated from the latest version. We need to change it at an extend Spark report. Okay, so let's change this form.xml with latest version as we are checking for our extend Spark report. Okay, let's go to here and update project again as we are move to latest version of extend report, and we can see now we'll get error here because this is not available in latest version. So we need to change this to extend Spark report. Just commit out our previous code. Okay, And let's change this to public static extend spark reporter, and give it name as a HTML. Let's say spark report. Okay, save it. And here also, this is the same line I'm copying, just changing name to spark report. This spark report. Okay, and this is the same line as it is, which we required here. We're committing the our extend HTML enter code, and here also extend dot attach, the same line we required. Now just only change this to extend spark report. Okay, and changes to extend automation spark report. Here we have HTML automation report only, which is showing like this. Okay, in this format, where we have like this all those themes and all like dark and white theme. Okay, now let's hover on this HTML report. Change this to extend Spark report. Okay, here also Spark report. Just hover on it and import this Spark report from here. Change it to extend Spark report. Okay, so now if I run this test now, because we have converted this base test and listener class, so I'm running test in XML file, running as a test in XML suite. It should be generate our extend park report here as well. Let's see what is the error here. Okay, we need to remove this one. Now let's run this program again. See, our first test case Bhau-Automation lab.in is login successful, and second test case is executed. And here we go. We have passed successful. Now we should generate here extend spark report as well. Refresh it, and here we go. We have extend spark report in our automation report folder now. Let's open it and see where the format here. There is no dark theme, nothing like that. It's a HTML Spark and instance report whenever we require. It's the lightweight, and all the test cases are generated here. Let's see all those the same format. Here we have dashboard in the faster way, like how seconds will take. Some logs not generated, which is not allowed in extend Spark report. All other are generated system environments. And here we showing pass fail steps, test cases pass fail, steps pass fail, and info which we have logged here. Everything the test pass to, date of extend report running, fail 0, running date and everything. And we can search the test cases here as well, like this. Home. Uh, if you have multiple test cases here, like we can say, just copy the test case name and we can search it here like this. This is only available now, like this. Here we have information about only, if you want to see only past test cases, you can see that. Clear all the like filters from here. Here we can expand the test case. Here we can just minimize the test case like this. Okay, so all this log is generated here. The time running is test case ID, everything is generated here. It's lightweight extend Spark report. Okay, previous one is which we have open is like this, is showing in this format like this. Same way, it is a little bit. Here we have all the entire logs and timing and all this showing properly, dashboard like this. Here we have themes, lots of things, but here we have only faster way and generated in the like lightweight extend Spark report. So these are the both extend reports for clarity, which is available in latest extend report, which is Spark extend report, which is Spark reporter. We need to just change these things and we can implement that one. So that's it about extend report and Spark report. If you have any doubt related to this concept, you can simply comment out me. I will give all the answer related to this. Implement by your own way. Watch all the playlists related to the extend report very carefully and properly. And let me know if you have any doubt, guys. Okay. So let's meet in another session with any new topic. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.